Hello everyone.
Open the Gemini app and select Flash Extended.
Copy the prompt from my description box and just change your topic. I am making a 20 seconds Maggi ad as an example. For clip 1, copy the image prompt. Go to Play Store and download the Flow app or open the website Google Flow. Log in and click on Continue greater than new. Upload your image prompt. Select the aspect ratio. Use 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram Reels. Select the model. Select Omni Flash for the first time. Next time use VO because VO takes only 10 credits and Omni Flash takes 12 credits. Move to the animated section, then paste the video and voice prompts.
When the night feels endless and the syllabus feels impossible, it's okay to pause.
For clip 2 and clip 3, do the same process as clip 1. Just copy and paste the prompts. After that, download the generated video, open your browser, search for a Gemini video watermark remover tool, upload the video, and download the clean version. Alternative image workflow. Remove the watermark from the base image first using a web watermark remover or your phone gallery's magic eraser, then upload the clean image into Google Flow to generate the video and voice. Download all processed clips and import them into your video editing app to assemble the final ad.
When the night feels endless and the syllabus feels impossible, it's okay to pause.
Take 2 minutes to reset. Fuel your mind, boost your spirit, and bring back the fire. 2 minutes of Maggi, 100% effort. Small breaks, big dreams. Keep going.
Learn at how make first YouTube ads, image generation, video generation, and voice generation. Work, then start working. Earn, then you will start earning. How to get work? You have 2 options. Option A, local shops. Go to small shops near you. Offer to make 1-2 videos for free in the beginning. Once they like your work, you can start charging after a few days. Option B, Instagram and YouTube. Start a new channel or new ID. Upload minimum 1 video daily on Instagram and YouTube. This video is supported by Talent Connect.
Stop just studying and start earning. Talent Connect bridges the gap for ambitious Indian students. Step 1, register and train in high.
Step 2, get matched. We connect your new skills directly with Indian small businesses that need your talent.
Step 3, work and earn. Complete projects for verified secure payments and gain resume-worthy experience with flexible...
Learn, work, earn. Link in bio.